This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Gmail currently linked to your X account and make sure you can log in. This avoids lockouts. Once done, decide whether you'll create a new Gmail or reuse an address, because you'll need access immediately. Make a quick backup of X data, like bookmarks or DMs, so nothing is lost during the switch. These steps save time and reduce risk. They prevent failed verification and give you control before you change core account credentials. You navigate to X, then Settings and Privacy, then Account, and choose Email. This is the Action Center. Enter the new Gmail address exactly. X sends a confirmation code to that inbox, so open Gmail and retrieve it right away. Once confirmed, update your X password if prompted, and add or verify 2FA to secure the change. These steps ensure X recognizes the new address and prevents account takeover. Verification is the critical middle step that ties both services together. You finish by signing out of X and signing back and using the new Gmail to confirm everything works. Then check any linked apps, notification settings, and password managers so they reference the updated email. Make sure email forwarding or filters in Gmail won't block X messages. If verification fails, try resending the code, inspect spam and filters, or use account recovery. These steps fix common problems and restore access quickly, so you're not locked out after the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.